Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, today we got another good one for you. I'm sure you can hear the burner roaring. We got the pot going. It's coming. This is South Carolina chicken stew. Now this is the way we make it in my family. Look on YouTube at the chicken stew recipes. Man, I see them put everything under the sun in it. I don't know what that is, but this is the way we make it here. So we're going to show you some that's absolutely delicious. It freezes well. So let's get this cook cranked off. Hang tight. Okay, well, one of the first things I thought about, I probably should show you. This is a little mod that I've done that really makes a lot of difference in cooking in this cast iron pot, and I have several others that I use that works equally well. What I've done is this is 2/3 of a steel 55-gallon drum, and this was a food grade drum. I cut the bottom out of it just above the bottom ring, if you know what I mean, the rim, there are two. And I cut a square out down here. And you can see my burner going under the pot down there. And what this serves to do is it blocks the wind, not only off the burner, but off the pot. And it also lets the heat rise equally around the pot, so it takes a whole lot less time rather than having just one spot on the center of your pot in the center. This heat circulates up the sides of the pot and makes it a more even heat. But that's just a little mod that I've added I thought you might be interested in. Okay, well, let's open these up, and it doesn't hurt to have a good sharp knife. Now, these are definitely still partially frozen. That's okay. That's okay. Breast side, back side. All right. We're gonna open him out. Let's take the goodies out. Come on, cooperate. There you go. We don't need any of that. What we're going to do is just cut down the backbone. Now, I'm not really spatchcocking it. I'm just opening that chicken up. That's something that helps cooking. Is we're going to cook this chicken completely apart. So let me get all this chicken prepared, ready to cook. We're gonna do all of them exactly like that, and I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we're starting to get a good roll, and I know these are frozen, so this is gonna take down the temperature of my water, but I'm gonna put the chicken in just as the trash truck comes for the week. But there we go. And we're gonna let those 4 chickens roll and tumble and boil and carry on. And we'll bring you back. Okay, well, we're about to get a good rolling boil. And next, since we already have the chicken in, the recipe calls for 4 sticks of butter. And that's just about what this tub of butter is. Now this is real butter with olive oil and sea salt in it. That's a little tweak that I have made in my recipe that I like. And there we go. Okay. And we're gonna stir and stir and stir and let this chicken cook down, and we'll bring you back. Okay, well, we're 1 hour in, and you see how these chickens are starting to break down. They're cooking down pretty good. And we're just gonna keep on cooking and just let them break down and break down. And then we're gonna have some good chicken stew. So we'll bring you back. Okay, well, this is the fun part. You remember now, we got 4 whole chickens down in this pot. And as it cooks down, we got to pick the bones out. Heavy cartilage. There's a lot of stuff you don't want in your chicken stew. See, little tiny bones. So now I've got cotton glove under this nitro glove, so it's basically insulating me from the heat. You do have to watch the steam as you stir this. This has come a long way from the whole chickens that we put in here, and it's cooking down very well. But you just keep stirring, picking the bones out. So we're gonna keep at it, let it cook down, and we'll bring you back. Okay, well, let's look at this. This has been 4 hours. We've picked hopefully all the bones out of this. This is cooked down pretty good. So it is time. We're gonna add a gallon of milk. And of course that's cold, so that's gonna halt the boil there for a minute. Let's stir that up. Now, we're going to add to that a cup, 4 cups of chicken broth. All right. Also, we're going to add a brand new bottle. If I can get it open. There we go. A 1/4 cup. Oop. Seal still on it. There we go. All right, a 1/4 cup of go. Almost exactly. Quarter cup of Texas Pete, Tabasco, whatever your favorite hot sauce is. Let me get a spoon here. So I don't want to leave any in measure. There we go. All right, and also we got one more. Let's stir this up first. Oh yeah, I'm looking just right. Okay, so we've added a cup of flour. It's just regular flour. Use whatever you want. We're gonna stir it up good, stir it in. And look at this. Let me tell you something. That's good looking stuff. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this back to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, you gotta watch it, because that's when we're gonna start turning it down and let it simmer. And we've been more than 4 hours, about 4.5 hours on this cook. So we probably are gonna let it go at least another hour. We'll see. And we'll bring it back. We're gonna bring it back up to a boil, and we'll see how that does. So when we do, we'll bring you back. All right, well, we are 5 hours in to this chicken stew cook. Now, if you've never had real chicken stew, this is what it looks like. Now, my favorite is to dip up a big bowl of this and dip cornbread cooked in a cast iron skillet into this. Oh my gosh, it's good. But look at this. Look at this. This is not quite chicken hash, but it's pretty thick. And look at that. I'm gonna dip a spoonful out of it. I'm gonna try it just for you. All right. Oh my goodness. I know it's good. All right. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Ah! That's good stuff. All right. You saw how I made it. It's simple. I don't have a whole lot of junk in it. Oh my goodness, this is this is just good stuff. All right, well, thank you for hanging around for this video. This circle over here, if you haven't already subscribed, hit it for me. I appreciate it. Subscribe. We'll have another video for you on this side. Until the next time, hang tight.